Incorporate a new step into your #healthy skin routine each day for a radiant glow. With life's daily hustle, we often neglect self-care, especially skincare. That's why we're inviting you to join our 7-day healthy skin challenge. Sticking to new habits can be tough since they aren't always convenient. But 7 days is just one short week. We believe you can do it. We've made this challenge simple and easy to fit into your routine. These 7 tips work for all skin types. Use them as a guide and adjust them as needed. If you're in, tag at @glowlosses in posts or stories and use #healthy skin routine for a chance to be featured. Ready to glow. Day 1. Remove your makeup every night. If you don't wear makeup, cleanse your skin thoroughly. Failing to cleanse properly leads to breakouts and premature aging. Even if you think your skin is clean, oils and pollutants build up throughout the day. Skipping this step means trapped bacteria, clogged pores, and fine lines. With face masks now a daily norm, proper cleansing is more crucial than ever. Maskne is real. How can I cleanse properly? Start with a gentle cleansing balm like our Probiotics Plus Moringa Oil Makeup Mult. It removes makeup effortlessly. Follow up with a hydrating cleanser like Cloud Cleanse Cloud Whipped Foam Cleanser to maintain moisture. This step takes under 5 minutes, but makes a huge difference. Your skin will be clean, refreshed, and never dry or tight. Day to prioritize your beauty. Sleep. Sleep is just as essential as food and water for your health. Yet, it's often overlooked in a #healthy skin routine. Lack of sleep increases stress, dulls your complexion, and accelerates aging. If you struggle with rest due to work or other commitments, try planning ahead. Scheduling your tasks can prevent last-minute stress and free up time for proper rest. Remember, all-nighters are a big nitrogen monoxide now. If you can't sleep well every night, start small, commit to a few days per week, and gradually improve. Over time, aim for quality sleep 7 days a week. Day 3. Exfoliate weekly. Exfoliation removes dead skin and deep-set impurities, helping reveal brighter, smoother skin. Your frequency depends on skin type. A great choice is our Probiotics Plus Papaya Enzyme Exfoliating Cleanser, which transforms from powder to a silky foam when mixed with water. Recommended exfoliation based on skin type. Dry skin, 1 to 2 times week. Normal skin, 2 to 3 times week. Oily skin, 3 to 4 times week. Sensitive skin, 1 time week. Day for stay hydrated. We know you've heard it before, but hydration is key. Sometimes, dull skin isn't due to products but a lack of water intake. Swap out coffee, energy drinks, and sugary juices for pure water. Need motivation? Get a stylish water bottle you'll love using, or try hydration reminder apps like Hydro Coach Daily Water Tracker Reminder, Drink Water Reminder. If you drink coffee or energy drinks, compensate with extra water, as caffeine dehydrates your skin. Hydration equals healthy skin. Day 5. Give your skin a break. If you wear makeup daily, take 1 day off to let your skin breathe. Ending the work week with a fresh face sets the tone for a pampering weekend. Going makeup-free might feel odd at first, but this is a challenge. If a full break feels intimidating, start small. Try a tinted moisturizer and lip gloss instead. Show off your fresh skin and tag us using #healthy skin. Day 6. Avoid touching your face. This habit is tough to break but crucial. Throughout the day, your hands collect dirt and bacteria, which transfer to your skin, causing breakouts. Be mindful of how often you touch your face and make a conscious effort to stop. Also, consider what else touches your skin. Your phone is a major culprit. Our phones collect bacteria all day, so wipe yours down with an alcohol wipe daily. Given today's world, cleaning it more often is even better. Woohoo, you did it! After 7 days, tell us, what was your favorite tip? What was easy to incorporate? What was challenging? Now, for the real test, continue with at least 3 out of 7 tips next week. Then, keep adding more over time. Skincare is a journey, but step by step, you'll see results. Your #glowmates are here with you every step of the way.